people.
Oh God, this is the best.
This is St. Patrick's Day pour, take 2. Although, I think I'm gonna have to change the angle of my camera a bit so y'all can see this. So let's bring it down. There we go. Almost all of it. There we go. Awesome. So, I've done these other 2 over here. And after a little bit of tweaking, they turned out really well. So, what I have going on now is I'm actually going to do a swipe. But I'm just going to move the paint around my canvas. I spread it out a bit, but now I'm just gonna tilt to move it about. So happy St. Patrick's Day. It's an unusual St. Patrick's Day for sure. But this too shall pass. We will rise above this all, I can assure you. All right, so same colors, because I'm very happy with these colors. So I'm gonna do a very large green in the middle and stop going everywhere. Wow, so much for a straight line. So hopefully everybody who has kids home, you are finding, oh, see, the Dow came up 1,000 points today. See, look, we're already in a positive. The market's already adjusting. Wow, these are not straight lines, you guys. Oh, I'm all over the place. All right, wow. It's hard. I'm used to the squirt bottles, and the squirt bottles go so much. They go a little bit more straighter than these crazy bottles, don't you know? Oops. Uh-oh. Need the lid. All right. Oh. Again, not straight. What are you gonna do? I think I'm gonna do a little bit of phthalo on the outside of this. A little bit of phthalo. Clean off my lid. Whew. No idea what's happening here. It's getting a little crazy. This will be interesting to pull this way. But I didn't want to move these because as much as I love these, I'm also very committed to the skins, which is the paint that's drying underneath. I think that it's going to give me some amazing skins. So on this, I want to be thicker because I think this is what I'm gonna pull. I think I'm gonna pull the gold. So this is my handy dandy little puller here. I need some paper towel because as I pull, I will need to wipe off. So here we go. I wish I had more of these. I have no idea where I came by this. Maybe I'll try this one actually. So the idea is we're gonna set it in the paint and then just pull it out. And not pay attention to the crazy child who's now running around my house like a crazy person. So you pull some of the paint off, as you can see. I wonder. Yeah, that's not gonna really work. That's not really gonna be a thing. All right. It's doggy time. It's doggy time. Trying to get some of this black without messing. Oh, see, there we go. Yes, that's what I was trying to do. Just on the edge, I've got a little bit of on the edges that I don't want. All right. I will have to get some of this black and make sure that my edges are covered before I pull. So, like right here for sure. All right. Aubrey, stop.
The dogs are chasing me.
Get out of the kitchen. Oh, what is this? Day 3? Day 2?
Are you going to crash before dress? Or are you going to let it live? What kind of question is that? I want to let it live.
All right.
You're
Trying to do this as best I can with
You're never going to give up my fortress.
the paint
Fine, we'll just have to crash it.
that I already have. So already, I really like that down there. But now I'm gonna have to pull this other way. So here's where it's gonna get tricky because
This is a dog and
one hand
nobody.
is always a little better than the other. So, but first I need to fix these spots that I've got
Let's just pull it a little bit.
that oh, what the heck, we're just gonna go all the way around.
Sit.
We're just gonna go all the way around and put some paint where it's thin.
Oops.
Hey, what are you doing?
I went like this.
You're throwing the pillow around. Please don't do that. All right. We're running away, so let's get this moving. So the key is lay it flat and gently pull and not pull into my other painting. Ha! I can already see that being a problem. All right. So we are going to rotate. Rotate to pull it in a better direction. Perfecto. All right. Oh, I'm gonna have to go to the rag. All right.
The card is sitting here. What do you mean? Just him.
kind of use up. Aubrey! 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 No. Ay, ay, ay. And now we're gonna have dog toy time. Dog toy time. So I've lost a little bit of my gold in the middle. But overall, I like it. I really like this ripple thing going on over here. I've got some low spots of black that I need to address because I can kind of see a little bit of canvas. I don't know who you are, Atlanta, Georgia. All right. Oh, I don't like that spot right there. But what am I gonna do? I think I'm gonna have to leave that one. I've got some sides and corners. But I love it. It's funny, I was just thinking about my grandmother. My grandmother, God rest her soul, was like, if you could have a visceral response to a color, green was it for her. Definitely must have not been zero Irish in that part of my family history, because boy, oh boy, she was not a fanana of green at all. Okay, I need to stop. Stop, 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 stop. Anyway, I love it. Love, 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 love. I think that this is going to be one of my favorites. I just love how the colors just all sort of like came together. And hopefully with the gold, there's going to be a little bit of shimmer in it like this one. Not so much this one over here. But this one will just be sort of interesting for different reasons. Anyway, once again, happy St. Patrick's Day. Oh, it looks really good up on the camera. All of these pieces, once they're dry, I will post more pictures, and they're all for sale, as is all of my art always. So I hope everybody enjoys their St. Patrick's Day today, this evening, while maintaining our new temporary normal social distancing. Thanks for joining me, guys.